Imagine working hard developing a mobile app and you're excited and eager to put it in the hands of as many users as soon as possible. The big day arrives and you release it to the App Store and it's terrible. While your application looks great and has many features, it has many problems and your users are let down, leaving one-star reviews. How could you have prevented this? The answer? Software testing, of course. In this video, you'll learn what software testing is, investigate the importance of doing software testing, identify the different stages of software testing, and also learn who is involved in the process. Little Lemon wants to give their customers an alternative to booking table reservations telephonically. They hire Mike, a software developer, to develop a table reservation app that integrates with the existing Little Lemon menu app. Now, how can Mike ensure the app integration works successfully? Software testing is the process of evaluating and verifying that the software product or application does what it's supposed to do. It also helps to identify software requirements missed, defects, and gaps. Testing should be one of the main steps before releasing software to users. It includes analyzing, observing, and evaluating different aspects of your application. Another example is downloading a game from the store and it's not loading properly. While you're using other people's applications, you are, in a way, also testing it, and perhaps leave a review to inform developers of your overall experience. Let's explore this in practice and explore why testing is so important. Suppose Mike fails to apply the needed testing strategies to ensure the app and the app integration works. Little Lemon launches the app. Over time, they notice that no reservation requests are coming through. As a result, the customers made reservations with Little Lemon's competitors instead. Now, can you imagine the impact this would have on a business? Firstly, they have no return on investment for the money spent to develop the app. Their customers had a negative experience using the app, and several customers left poor reviews. Whereas if the app had been tried and tested prior to launch, the customer's experience would have been much different. Software testing helps ensure that the apps you create make a good first impression. Let's explore some other reasons why you should test your apps. Testing means you can filter out the bugs so that your users don't run into them. You may agree that this ultimately enhances the overall quality of the product or service. Customers get what they pay for with as little problems as possible, leading to more users using your product. By testing, you can also improve the security of your software. When using your application, users' personal information such as their names and payment details should be protected. Imagine a bank application or a large online store needing payment information. If developers don't pick up on errors, there could be payment issues that result in huge financial losses. Similarly, since most data is stored in the cloud, if there is a potential problem with an app or service, users are at risk. They might suffer data loss, like losing precious photos or videos, or they might even be hacked, which can have major consequences. Ensuring the security measures work as they are intended to protects you and your users. Lastly, users want to use their applications on multiple devices. They might access it on their phones while at home and on their computers while at work. It's important to check that your application is running smoothly and as expected on all devices. Now that you understand what testing is and why testing is important, let's explore the different stages of testing and the responsibilities of those involved in the process. Developers are responsible for writing source code to implement new features. They must also constantly verify that the features work as expected and fix any bugs. If developers are too busy to do any major testing, dedicated testers can perform the necessary tests. They are called software testers. Software testers use a combination of automated testing or manual testing tools to verify the correctness of the software produced by the developers. If any problems are found, they report back to the developers with the goal of producing a quality product in the end. After everyone is satisfied with how the software works, it's released to the users. Users are often also seen as software testers as they inform you of any problems by leaving reviews or using social media to provide feedback. You've learned that testing is verifying that software works as it is intended to work. You have also learned that it's important to test your software to improve product quality and security, and to ensure that it works on all platforms. Lastly, you learn that developers are not only code writers, but also testers, and they are supported by software testers and users that report problems by means of reviews and feedback. You have learned some valuable lessons here. Make sure that you incorporate this in all your future apps.